Hi, first grade. This is Mrs. Jenks. I have a problem that I need your help with. So I was at the dog park tonight. I'm at the dog park, and my dog Gus is lost. And I've been calling his name, and it's not working. So I was hoping that you could help me use light and sound to help him find me. Gus is a really smart dog. He can see and hear really well, but I just need your help. So I want you to think about what you know about light and sound to help Gus find me and come back. I'm also wondering what kind of problems we have. Why can't he hear me? Why can't he see me? And how can I help him hear me and see me better? How can I signal him and communicate with him and send him those messages? So this is your job today. Help me out. Help me find my dog because I'm really, really worried and I need your help. Thank you.